Well, hello, it's Bears back. I picked me up another one of these Stanley locks. Um, they're really cool. They're 24/7s. I don't know what their number is, but they're hefty and they work really well. And I like them because they have a Schlage core. So let's try to pick this. I'm going to get it loaded up in the vise, and I'm gonna give her a shot. So if I can see to do anything, I got a transition between my readers looking at the camera and my regular eyes looking at this. So here's your key. Here's your bidding. Wait, let me see if I can get a better view of the bidding. There you go. Now, of course, these come with standard pins. And I plan to do a little alteration of this once we get her done. So let's try to pick it open and see how we do. A little tension on it. Wow. Okay, let me try that again. Some tension. Believe it or not, I did this already. I've already picked this before, and now I don't feel crap. All right, let's try. Let's reset that. I'm doing what trying to fill these pins. Like I said, they're standard, and once you set them, they give you a little bit of knowledge that you set the pin. But then you can have it unlocked and not know it, and I did that just not too long back. I had the thing unlocked and I'm fighting pins and it was already unlocked. So, where are you? You feel solid. What am I missing here? Did I overset? I don't think so. There it is. Okay, we got it. Cool. Let's pull it out of there. And what my plan is putting one of these Schlage Evers cores in after we beef it up. So that'll be for another video, beefing that up and sticking it in here. We're going to see about getting into this thing. Oh, man. Whew. That's tight. Not enough? All right. Well, we'll pull you completely out. Yep. Well, that was unlocked. You got to really crank it. You got to really crank it with the key. I forgot about that. Yeah. Oh boy. I don't want to come out of there. I'll be back after I get this out of here. Now maybe I'll stay with it. You guys don't mind, do you? If I can find there they are. Man, I don't know. It doesn't want to come out. Wow, it does not want to come out of there. Let me look down in there again. I'm going to need to... Yeah. Woo. Let me try holding that. Seeing if now the spring will come out. Yeah, because the ball's out of the way. I know, you're an idiot, Dale. I haven't done this in so long, it's not funny. Holy crap. I don't think I have I had one a little bit ago. I don't know where it went. I don't know if I got one to fit that. It's not even getting close to down there. Well, apparently my Allen wrenches didn't get shipped with me. So I had to just order a new set. Who knows when they'll be here with the snow as deep as it is. And maybe a couple days from now we can continue on with this. But I wanted to show you that in there. Can you see that? How small that Allen wrench is down in there? That head. I don't know if it was ever that small before. I don't remember it being that tiny. Maybe some of you can help me out there. But it's a long way down in there, and I don't have a long shaft Allen wrench, so I just had to buy a whole new set of long shaft Allen wrenches. So we'll continue on with this build with this core when I get that in. So thanks for watching, everybody.